Right, so now this is the box of the replacement accelerator pedal. It comes in this box. I got it from a dealer in Pretoria. So this is the box, and this here is the accelerator pedal that we need to replace. So basically what happens is that I haven't opened this as yet. However, as far as I know, there's some sensor in here that starts to malfunction after a certain mileage in your vehicle, your Renault Kwid to be specific. I don't know about the other cars I see here. This is for Renault and Nissan. Okay, so this could actually be a problem for these manufacturers, Renault and Nissan. Okay, and then there's the faulty pedal underneath, and it's mounted to this plate. It's mounted here. I can't show it properly, but yeah, this is the pedal underneath that we need to take out, remove, and replace with this one. So I'm not gonna keep you throughout that period. I'm just gonna go and get my tools and start removing this one immediately. Check you later, guys.